Well, the concept of natural analysis, as I described earlier, is around providing an even easier and more natural way of interacting with data. So the business problem is we have massive amounts of data. How do we access it simply and make informed decisions against it? So it's continuing, to build on the disruptive capabilities we already have to take that one stage further. In terms of how the product will manifest itself, there will be more details coming out of that. There is a website that you can go to get that information, but we will be making a release later next year, and we will continue to have QlikView 11, so that will not go away, and we will evolve accordingly. If you take that sort of core associative capability, other vendors simply don't have that. You go to more of the traditional stack vendors. You have this cube-based approach, which our customers tell us is a tired approach. They want something new, and natural analytics is going to provide that sort of capability to extend on what we have today and take it even further forward and remain disruptive. Well, I think another area that will be interesting is the whole area of applications, because organisations to do, as I mentioned earlier, you have an organisation that starts with one application, they've now got 150 plus. So I think the whole concept of applications coming to market is something that may or may not happen, but it's certainly an area we're looking at the moment. QlikView Next, obviously. I think QlikView 11 has a huge amount of life in it, and it will continue to drive a significant amount of our revenue moving further forward. QlikView Next, I think, will take us to another dimension. So it's a very exciting time. It's real. It's very real. Organisations today have more data than they've ever had before. They're capturing it from many, many more different places, and capturing the data is one thing, but it's then what do you do with it, how do you analyse it, and how do you take value out of the data that you collect. And many of our customers are working with us as QlikView to do that, realise the value that's locked in the data they're collecting through their big data deployments.